Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Shahab, and in this video I want to speak about the installation and running the framework of AUA. First of all, let me speak about the website of this framework, which is AUA.ProjectName.sln. If you want to know more about the structure of the AUA and also its source code, you can check it on GitHub through this link, which is here. And also, if you want to know more about this structure, you can read the documentation of this framework. At this page you can find some items which are the concepts of the structure, and you can learn more about them. Now let me download the basic package of the structure. Here you can see 3 packages: basic package, which is free, full feature, and also the last package, which enables you to suggest and offer whatever you want due to your business, and the AUA team will prepare it for you. Here I want to download the basic package. At this page you can download the basic package through this link. I have already downloaded it. After downloading and extracting the file, you will have this structure. Now let me run the project by double clicking on this file. Well, process the installation in AUA is pretty simple. First of all, you need to customize the connection string, which is located in the WebApi project. In app settings you can see there are 3 environments, and we need to manipulate the development one. Well, I want to rename the database to basic package. Well, the next step is using the package manager console. Before that, make sure to set the default project on the data layer. Perfect. Before updating the database, let me open up the SQL server. As you see, there are just 2 databases here. Now let me update the database. Well, let me check the database now. Perfect. As you can see, database is generated here. The AUA will generate a database with some default tables. These tables belong to accounting module. For example, EF migrating, as you know, is for entity framework migrations. Active access token is for saving the JWT tokens. In case of expiring a token, it needs to refresh the token, and for this purpose we need this table. Inside the downloaded file you will find a folder under name of _documents, and in it there are some documents about the tables and their diagrams. Based on this diagram, each user can have access to several roles, and each role can have access to several accesses. Well, let's continue. The app user table by default contains a user with username of admin and a hashed password, which is 123. Now let's run the project. Okay, first thing first, let me log in. In user account we have login. Well, the default username was admin, and the default password is 123. The first request is almost slow because all of mappings are creating. Perfect. And you will see the response, which is success is true, there is no errors, The results are username, first name, last name, roles ID, and user access IDs. And there is an item which is refresh token. I will explain it later. And expires in item, which shows the date of the expiration of the token. And also there is an item which is necessary under name of access token. We need this access token to access to other services. Now let me copy this access token. Now I want to get the list of the users. Here I need to paste that access token and execute. Perfect. The user which is the only user is showing now. Well, let me check it here. As you see, there is just one user. I want to insert another user. Again, I need to paste that access token here. And for the name, I want to enter John. For the last name, I want to enter Smith. Username, for example, test. Phone. And executing. Perfect. Let me check the database. Now the other user is entering here.